Alright, today we brought the GMC truck into the shop. Gonna do some upgrades on it. Gonna put some keying coilovers in the front and in the rear. We got the sets over here. Adjustable reservoirs. Gonna mount those. Gonna do something different in the rear that most people don't. I'm gonna mount the reservoirs remotely onto the sides. Get rid of these little rinky-dink icons that are in the back here, and the N3s that came with the rough country lift, and they did okay. I've had them on for quite a few miles. Been through Colorado Black Bear Pass twice with them, and hey, you know what, they did their job, but now they're kind of stiffening up. They're not leaking or nothing, but excited to do this, so check it out. This has an extra layer of protection. Added some conduit around the hose, so when it wraps up there, it'll be nice and protected against any rubbing against the frame and so on. Same thing with the clamps. I'm going to insulate the clamps too. So here's the clamp. I'm going to insulate it with heat shrink, and you'll see how it looks there. And then these are going to go here. I'm going to cut 2 more holes in there, my rubber mounting insulators, and that'll hold the reservoir. That came out really good. See the insulation on the straps? Came out good. Makes it look clean. Got the conduit over the hydraulic hose, so no rubbing against the frame there. Ready for the Okay, and there's the driver's side, all done. I'm gonna put the sway bar links on after I do the other side so I can have that free moving, and we'll take it for a drive. Looks good. final adjustments on it. It'll came out really good. All right. And we hit the trail.